We're going to open and unbox this Osmo Pocket. It is brand new. Ordered this from B&H Photo, and we're going to open it and observe every single parts that comes with it. Okay, let's try to open it from here. I always try to open things where, in case this doesn't work out, I can return it back and I didn't destroy the whole packaging. Okay. All right, so let's see. There's something here in a plastic bag, and it's not sealed, it's just glued. Let me pull it out. Okay, so looks like a case that has the Osmo camera inside of it. This is not leather, this is like a hard plastic, but I can see that it has soft lining on the inside, and this is a strange strap. So this is made of kind of like rubber, and it just not clips on, it just kind of pin on to this knob here. Okay, so there it is. This is the case, and this is the camera. Just like everybody else, this is my first time holding the Osmo Pocket, and all the other videos and people that I've heard reviewing this is correct. This is so small. Okay, see what else it comes with. Okay, so this is a little box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this looks like a USB to USB-C. It is approximately about 1.5 feet. That's how long it is. And this is a loop or hand strap. This looks adjustable here. Okay, pretty good. And then we have the connector for the phone. This is for the iPhone Lightning adapter. That's the one that goes right here. And this is the USB-C version of that connector also, that goes here. And nothing else in the box. And there's really nothing else in the box either. There's just a bag of silica gel to absorb moisture. And okay, just in case, let's open up the bottom, just in case there's anything else that I forgot. Nope, it's just foam and silica gel. That's it. So it's a pretty small package, and it just includes the very minimal for the camera. Oh, we almost forgot one thing. Tuck in on the side are 2 booklets. Looks like one is a quick start written in many different languages, and this one is disclaimer and safety guidelines. Nobody ever read this. Okay, this is a pretty small book, and let me see here. The part that is in English is probably, yeah, 4 pages is all that is in English just to get started. Okay, that's it. So let's put these aside and let's take a look at the camera a little bit closer. So this part right here is moving, is freely moving. Okay, so this product is brand new. You can see that there's a seal here. This is kind of like a foam that prevents this part right here to be moving around, and the lens here is still sealed. You're supposed to remove that obviously before start using it. And the LCD screen is also sealed here with this particular part. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. Remove this, remove the seal here, and let's go ahead and try to turn it on and see what happened. See if there's any charge in the battery, if we can turn it on. Okay, I guess I don't even know how to turn it on. I'm going to guess that it's gonna be this button. Pressing it for a few seconds, nothing happens. So let's try this one. Oh, okay. Something happens. It's on. There's a green button, a green light here, and looks like it wants me to select a language. Whoops. I accidentally select Korean. Well, that's gonna be a problem. Okay. I think it wants me to plug in the telephone, my iPhone. Okay, well, I guess that pretty much concludes this video. I don't speak Korean. I'm gonna have to figure it out. How the heck am I going to switch the language back? Let's see if I turn it off and turn it back on. Hopefully it'll ask me again. Oh, there you go. Let's be careful and see if I can pick English. Perfect, there you go. So they're pretty smart, since a lot of people are not familiar with the screen user interface. They allowed you to select language twice until the device is activated, I guess. That's pretty smart. Okay, so if you notice that it came with about 60%, 70% battery. Oh, it just kind of went up. That's strange. I have never seen a battery that goes up. No. I think that means I have 1 bar instead of going up. Yeah, I'm not sure. But it says 60%. Okay. Anyhow, I don't know how to use this. I am going to conclude this video because this is just the unboxing video, and I'm going to probably create other videos later that features or use this particular camera, as I'm going to be using this as my primary camera for creating YouTube videos. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video and you find it useful, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be creating videos about solar panel, do-it-yourself projects around the house. I'm also a software engineer. I'm going to be doing a lot of development, web development type of technologies. Yeah, so please subscribe. I need some sponsorship and support from you guys, not in form of money, just in form of subscription. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.